Do you want to know how you can log into your ESS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your ESS Payroll account. Go ahead and open your ESS Payroll account by going to the browser. You can see this first link over here. Go ahead and click on it. And then it will lead you to this page. You can see that this is the official login portal of ESS Payroll. Go ahead and write down your account code in this box. After you write down your account code, go ahead and click Next. You can see that this password option pops up. You can also use your username if you want to. So after you write down your username or employee code, write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon over here. Then go ahead and click Login. This way you can successfully log into your ESS Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. So, I hope this video about how you can log into your ESS Payroll account was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.